Just two problems we're doing today. We're doing them twice. Each problem, I want you to do it twice for practice. So first it asks, what's this missing side? Well, I want to write it down again. Leg, Pythagoras theorem, leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. Okay, so which is my legs and which is my leg? Now I substitute. 9 is one of the legs. Remember, the legs meet at the right angle. The hypotenuse is the longest side, and it is opposite. It's the one that does not touch the right angle. It's opposite the right angle. So leg squared, that's a 9 squared, plus my missing one, b squared, equals 15 squared. So just substitute my values. Now I'll just solve using your algebra skills. So I got b squared equals 15 squared minus 9 squared, right? I'm subtracting 9 squared from both sides. And then I take the square root. So you can put all this in your calculator at once if you want. Square root of a square, right? I'll write this down just on this one. I'm going to take the square root of both sides. 15 squared minus 9 squared. So now you could just put this in your calculator, right? On square root 15 squared minus 9 squared equals 12. B equals 12. Okay, now find the second part is find the perimeter. Everybody knows the perimeter now is the sum of the sides. 9 plus 12, 9 plus 12 plus 15. I got 21, 21 plus 15, 36. Whatever the units are, I can't remember, centimeters, inches, whatever. Meters. Oops, that was off the page. There's perimeter. Here's area. Area is the base and the height of a triangle always meet at the right angle. So base and height right here, the legs, okay? Base times height divided by 2. Area equals 9 times 12 divided by 2. Stick that in your calculator. Area equals 6 times 9, 54. Remember, that's square units. If it's centimeters squared, don't forget that part. This is centimeters or meters, whatever it is. No, it's an exponent of 1. Okay, good to go. Those are those three parts. And this is just lottie-dottie, everybody do it again. It's facing the other way. Find side A. Well, that's a leg. I'm going to write it down again. The more you write it down, the better you remember. If you write this down, I got leg squared plus leg squared equals, okay, a hypotenuse is the longest side opposite the right angle, so there's 35 squared. There's one leg. Here's the other leg. Subtract. Take the square root of both sides. A equals the square root of 35 squared minus 28 squared. Is this a special right triangle? If I divide, oh yeah, it is, sure it is. Here's something more, you don't need to know this, but if I divided this by the same thing, these are both got a factor of 7. If I divide by 7, I'm going to get a 5 here. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 28 divided by 7 is 4. You don't need to know this. You can just put this in your calculator, and it will spit out, I got a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Okay, they don't all come out in nice, neat numbers like this, but this one sure does. So this is a 3 times that 7. Multiply by 7, I get 21. So I better get A equals 21. If you don't understand that, that's just fine. Just put the numbers in. If you want to look up special right triangles, there's a bunch of them. This is only if you want to do this kind of stuff. Special right triangles. Anyways. Also, Pythagorean triples. Those are sides, right triangles who have integer sides, all sides integers. Okay. So I got perimeter equals 21 plus 28 plus 35. This must be 49 plus 35. 84 inches or whatever it is, not squared. Area, base times height divided by 2. 21 times 28 divided by 2. That's going to be 21 times 14. That's going to be 21 times 7 times 2. Would that be the, or be 210 plus 84? 294. 294 inches squared. All right, good luck, guys. Short lesson. Sorry my videos are a little bit long. Enjoy. Ramadan Mubarak.